Hi, this is Andy Cole with the Elevator Consultants, or TEC, looking at whether the property manager or engineer is in a machine room and looking. This is older cables, older machine. You're going to have some debris. They have oilers on these cables, but you're going to have some debris with older cables. These are double wrapped, which means that there's a set of cables and then they go up and around a shiv and then they come back over. So it's a double wrap machine for added traction. And the cables we're looking at are in fair condition, they're fine. What we're trying to help you with is when you're seeing red and major cable debris, especially if it's red, on a set or around a machine, what does it mean? And as we look at this video, you can definitely see the cables only in certain spots are red, and then one long strand is red. Now this happens a lot, that the cables pass inspection. If just because they're red doesn't mean that they fail, but it does cause a lot of mess for the equipment, a lot of mess for the elevator mechanic. The elevator mechanic typically tells the superintendent or the company that we need new cables. This is a proactive piece. We definitely should be ordering cables for this. You don't want to fail inspection and then have to replace cables. You want to be proactive with this type of situation. We see this a lot, and it definitely usually is up to the inspector to fail them. There is a different type of a gauge that the elevator will use for the failure of rouge cables. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the elevator consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.